Welcome to the new video of ScoreSmart. Today we are going to see factors of a number. Let's start. Factors of a number. Factor of a number divides the number completely without leaving any remainder. Let us see an example. Factors of 24. We say 24. 24 is 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. It is not divisible by 5. Then we come to 6. Since 6 we have already written, so we stop at this. So what are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Hope you understood. Let us see one more example. Let us see one more example. Factors of 36. Come on, you try to do on your own. Hope you are done. Let's start. 36. 36 is 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. We stop here since we reached a repeated number. So what are the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Hope you all got this correct. Let us see at some properties of factors. 1 is a factor of every number. In previous example and this too you have seen 1 is a factor of every number. And every number is a factor of itself. 24 was a factor of 24. 36 is a factor of 36. A factor of a number is either less than or equal to the given number. It can never be more than the number. If you see here, all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 12, 18, 36, they are all less than 36 or equal to 36. Factors of a number are finite. You can see that there are 7 to 8 factors for each number. There can be more. If the numbers are big, there can be more factors, but they are finite. That's all about factors of a number. Hope you got it. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, please subscribe to ScoreSmart Private Tuitions. Thank you.